All right, so we have a propane tank here at our rental, and in order to meet fire code, we have to install a 60-minute shut-off timer on the propane tank. So I got the parts. I'm gonna remove this, install an extension, and then put the timer in between this regulator and the gas. So let's get started. All right, so here are the parts that I have that I'm going to use. This is a 3/8, which should fit the grill hose from the regulator into a 1/2 inch into this Fire Magic. This is a 60-minute timer. And then another 1/2 inch to the 3/8 hose connector that will connect to this extension hose that will then connect up to the grill. So I'm going to have to put some pipe tape on these and then screw them in here, and then we'll go connect everything together. All right, so now that I have it ready, you want to make sure you take note of the in, and the other side is the out. So this is the in coming from the propane tank out to the grill. So let's go install this thing. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is take this off. I've got a wrench here. Just going to loosen that up and remove. All right, so I am removing this, which is disconnecting the propane regulator from where it goes into the grill. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this long extension hose. This is a 2-foot. Probably don't need a 2-foot. 1 foot would probably do, but it's going to depend on what you have available at your hardware store or what you need. So I'm going to take this end and connect it to the grill, part that goes into the grill, and then I'm going to tighten it down with my wrench. All right, so you can see I have this end of this extension hose connected up here to where the gas goes into the grill. Now I've got this end, and then I've got the end that's coming from my regulator from the propane tank. So I'm going to take our timer. It's ticking right now, so it's driving me crazy. All right, so I'm going to hook the long extension hose, the one that goes into the grill, on this end. This is the out end. It doesn't say out, but this side says in, so I'm going to screw it on there. And the guy at the supply store says you don't need to put tape on the tapered ends here. So I didn't, but he said do put tape on those ends. So he's the professional. So then I'm going to take the propane, the side from the regulator, connect it to the propane tank, and hook it on the in side. All right, now I'm going to tighten everything down with my wrench. All right, that one's good. All right, so there we are. So we're good to go now. Everything's connected. We're going to fire this up, see if everything works, and should be good to go. All right, we are lit. Propane is working. Gas is working. We got fire down in there. Next thing I need to replace those. Probably do that today as well. So we're gonna let this timer run down and see if it shuts off. All right, our timer just hit 0 off. So you can hear it stop ticking. And the propane is shut off. There's no more flame. All right, so if you're in a similar situation or just want to be extra safe, You can install a 60-minute shutoff for your gas grill as well. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks.